How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our K-Force TIR full-size light bars. So we offer these units in our 36, 47, 55, 65, 75, and also our slimmer K-Force Micro 50. And all of these units will have the same features and functionality. So let's go over all that. So for demonstration purposes, I'll be using our K-Force 47 here. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice the connector here, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme control, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables, which I went ahead and ran to power here. And then you'll have your aux line here, where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting off of your optional Supreme control. Now when it comes to our Supreme control, we have two options. So we have our handheld Supreme and our standard Supreme control box. And today I'll be using our standard Supreme control. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the features. So I went ahead and plugged in my Supreme control box here. Now on your Supreme control box, the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. And I did bring a standard red-blue color setup here with your standard white takedowns, white alleys, and your amber traffic advisor in the back. But we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating. And we even have our customize a light bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. So you can cycle through the different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like, and then our light bars have memory recall. So you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And another really cool feature with our optional Supreme control is you can program a different flash pattern per slide switch. So here in position 3, I want this pattern. I can go to position 2 and program a pattern here, and same thing for position 1. And then my light bar will remember those flash patterns per position on your slide switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you have your takedown, alley, and cruise functions here. Now your cruise function will activate your 4 corner lights in steady burn, and then your takedowns and alleys will activate your steady burn takedowns and alley lights. And we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where these will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate those functions, they will go to steady burn clear. And then all of these features will override the flashing functionality of your light bar, or you can also operate them independently as well. Now let's go over our traffic advisor. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here, and you'll notice that you'll have 6 traffic advising modules across the back of your light bar here. And you'll have center out, left right, and right left functions here. And we do also offer a multicolor upgrade here to where these will flash the warning color ordered of your light bar, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, these modules will go to amber. And the traffic advising feature does override the flashing functionality of your light bar, or you can activate your traffic advisor independently as well. And then finally, you have your aux button here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting, all off of your optional Supreme control box. So to go over a couple of our color options here, I brought an amber unit and a green clear alternating here. But again, you can get any color using amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, or alternating. And you can even use our customization tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle as well. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice you'll have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see that you get your included universal gutter mount brackets here, and then we also offer optional vehicle specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then you'll also see our optional permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack brackets. Now if you'd like to go with those will replace your light bar feet using the existing hardware. So that covers our K-Force TIR full-size light bars. Make sure to watch the flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive players located on the product pages. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.